Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something near and dear to my heart, and probably yours too. Building a killer gaming setup without selling a kidney. Yeah, you heard me right. We're talking about a complete battle station for under $1,000. We'll be breaking down each component, from the PC itself to the peripherals, to show you that you don't need to break the bank to have an amazing gaming experience. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, we gotta talk about the brain of the operation, the PC. When it comes to building a budget gaming PC, the most crucial component is undoubtedly the processor. It's the heart and soul of your machine, dictating how well your games will run and how smooth your overall experience will be. But don't worry, you don't need to break the bank to get a decent one. Now I know what you're thinking, Linus. A good gaming PC under $1,000? It sounds like a pipe dream, right? But trust me, it's entirely possible. The market has evolved, and there are plenty of options out there that offer great performance without costing a fortune. Get out of here. But seriously, hear me out. With a bit of research and some smart shopping, you can find components that deliver excellent bang for your buck. It's all about knowing where to look and what to look for. We've come a long way in terms of price to performance, and there are some seriously capable machines out there that won't have you living off ramen noodles for the next year. The key is to balance your budget across all components, ensuring you don't overspend on one part while neglecting another. We're talking about processors like the Ryzen 5 5600, which offers incredible value for its price. This little beast can handle most modern games with ease, providing a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. It's a fantastic choice for budget-conscious gamers who don't want to compromise on performance. Or maybe even an Intel Core i5-12400 if you can snag a good deal. The Intel Core Y5 series has always been a reliable choice for gamers, offering solid performance and efficiency. It's a bit more expensive than the Ryzen, but if you find it on sale, it's definitely worth considering. For graphics cards, it's a bit trickier, but an RTX 3050 or a Radeon RX 6600 can still pump out some impressive frames at 1080p. These GPUs are perfect for budget builds, providing enough power to run most games at high settings without breaking the bank. Just keep an eye out for deals, and be ready to pounce when you see a good one. Remember, we're aiming for smooth gameplay here, not necessarily maxing out every single setting. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your games look good and run smoothly. You might have to tweak some settings here and there, but the end result will be worth it. Don't even get me started on pre-builts versus building your own. That's a whole other video. But if you're up for the challenge, building your own PC can be a rewarding experience. Not only do you get to choose every component, but you also gain a deeper understanding of how your machine works. Plus, it's a lot of fun. Let's not forget about the motherboard. It's the backbone of your PC, connecting all your components and ensuring they work together seamlessly. For a budget build, you don't need anything too fancy. A reliable mid-range motherboard will do the trick, providing all the necessary features without unnecessary bells and whistles. And then there's the RAM. 16 gigabytes is the sweet spot for gaming these days. It provides enough memory for most games and multitasking without going overboard. Look for deals on reputable brands and you'll be good to go. Storage is another important consideration. An SSD is a must for any gaming PC, providing fast load times and a snappy overall experience. A 500 GB SSD is a good starting point, but if you can stretch your budget a bit, a 1 terabyte SSD will give you plenty of space for your games and other files. Don't skimp on the power supply either. A reliable PSU is crucial for the stability and longevity of your system. Look for a unit with a good efficiency rating and enough wattage to support your components. It's better to have a bit of headroom than to risk overloading your PSU. Finally, the case. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant, but make sure it has good airflow and enough space for your components. A well-ventilated case will keep your system cool and running smoothly even during intense gaming sessions. So there you have it, folks. Building a budget gaming PC is all about making smart choices and finding the right balance between performance and cost. With a bit of patience and some savvy shopping, you can put together a machine that will provide hours of gaming enjoyment without emptying your wallet. Happy building! Next up, we gotta talk about what you'll be looking at for hours on end. The monitor. This is the window to your gaming world, the portal through which all your adventures, battles, and quests will be experienced. It's not just a screen, it's an essential part of your gaming rig that can significantly impact your overall experience. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds, engaging in intense firefights, or just chilling with some casual games, the monitor you choose will play a crucial role in how immersive and enjoyable your gaming sessions are. And trust me, you don't want to cheap out here. While it might be tempting to go for the lowest price tag, remember that a subpar monitor can lead to a subpar gaming experience. Poor color accuracy, low refresh rates, and high response times can all detract from your enjoyment and even affect your performance in competitive games. So it's worth investing a bit more to get a monitor that will do justice to your gaming prowess. A good gaming monitor can make all the difference in the world, especially when it comes to responsiveness and image quality. Imagine playing your favorite game with stunning visuals, where every detail is crisp and clear, and the action is smooth and fluid. That's the kind of experience a quality monitor can provide. It's not just about seeing the game, it's about feeling like you're part of it. The right monitor can enhance your immersion, making every game more engaging and enjoyable. Luckily, you don't need to spend a fortune to get a decent panel these days. The market is filled with affordable options that offer great performance without breaking the bank. With advancements in technology, even budget monitors can deliver impressive visuals and smooth gameplay. So you can find a monitor that fits your budget and still provides a fantastic gaming experience. We're looking for something with at least a 1080p resolution and a refresh rate of at least 75 Hz, but ideally 144 HD for that buttery smooth gameplay. A higher refresh rate means that the image on your screen is updated more frequently, resulting in smoother motion and less blur. This is especially important in fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. A 1080p resolution ensures that the visuals are sharp and detailed, providing a clear and immersive gaming experience. Don't worry too much about fancy features like HDR or curved screens. Those are nice to have, but not essential for a budget build. While HDR can enhance the color and contrast of your games, and a curved screen can provide a more immersive viewing experience, these features often come with a higher price tag. For a budget build, it's more important to focus on the core specs that will have the most impact on your gaming experience. Save those fancy features for when you have a bit more to spend. Remember, we're all about that value, baby. It's about getting the best bang for your buck and finding a monitor that offers great performance at an affordable price. With the right monitor, you can enjoy all your favorite games in stunning detail and smooth motion without having to empty your wallet. So take your time, do your research, and find the perfect monitor that will elevate your gaming experience to the next level. Happy gaming. Now let's talk peripherals, starting with the keyboard and mouse. These are the unsung heroes of your gaming setup, often overlooked but absolutely essential. Whether you're diving into an intense FPS match or exploring vast open worlds, the right keyboard and mouse can make all the difference. These are your weapons of choice, your tools of destruction, so to speak. A good keyboard and mouse combo can enhance your reaction times, improve your accuracy, and ultimately, elevate your entire gaming experience. And while you might be tempted to go for the cheapest options available, trust me, it's worth spending a little extra to get something decent. Cheap peripherals might save you money up front, but they often lack the durability and performance needed for serious gaming. We're not talking about fancy RGB lighting or a million macro keys here, just a comfortable and responsive keyboard and a mouse with a decent sensor. The tactile feedback of a good mechanical keyboard can be incredibly satisfying, and a mouse with a high DPI sensor can give you the precision you need in fast-paced games. There are tons of great options out there from brands like Logitech, Corsair, and Razer that won't break the bank. These brands offer a range of products that cater to different needs and budgets, ensuring that you can find something that suits your gaming style without emptying your wallet. Remember, comfort is key here, especially if you're planning on racking up those hours. An ergonomic design can prevent strain and fatigue, allowing you to play longer and more comfortably. So, take the time to find a keyboard and mouse that feel right for you. Your hands will thank you. Additionally, consider investing in accessories like wrist rests or mouse pads with wrist support. These small additions can make a big difference in your overall comfort and can help prevent repetitive strain injuries. Another important aspect to consider is the grip style of your mouse. Whether you prefer a palm grip, claw grip, or fingertip grip, make sure the mouse you choose fits your hand comfortably. Many gaming mice offer adjustable weights and customizable buttons, allowing you to tailor the mouse to your specific needs. When it comes to keyboards, the type of switches used can greatly affect your gaming experience. Mechanical switches, for example, come in various types such as Cherry MX, Razer, and Roamer G, each offering a different feel and actuation force. Some gamers prefer the clicky feedback of blue switches, while others might opt for the quieter, smoother red switches. While RGB lighting isn't a necessity, it can add a personal touch to your setup. Many gaming keyboards offer customizable lighting options, allowing you to create a unique look that matches your gaming rig. Plus, some keyboards even offer lighting profiles that can be synced with your games, providing an immersive experience. In conclusion, investing in a good keyboard and mouse is crucial for any serious gamer. These peripherals are more than just tools, they're an extension of your skills and can significantly impact your performance. So, take the time to research and choose the right ones for you. Happy gaming! Alright, let's talk audio. Whether you prefer the immersive experience of a headset or the room-filling sound of speakers, there are plenty of budget-friendly options that won't disappoint. For headsets, look for something with a comfortable fit, clear microphone quality, and decent soundstage. You don't need to go for audiophile-grade stuff here, just something that lets you hear those footsteps and explosions with clarity. If speakers are more your style, a decent 2.1 system can do wonders for your gaming experience. Just make sure you've got enough desk space. Okay, so we've covered the essentials, but what about the extras? A good gaming chair can make a world of difference in terms of comfort, especially if you're prone to long gaming sessions, and a spacious desk can provide ample room for all your gear. But here's the thing, you don't need to go all out on these right away. Start with what you have and upgrade as your budget allows. Maybe you can snag a used chair or repurpose an old desk. Get creative. Remember, building a gaming setup is a marathon, not a sprint. And there you have it, folks, a complete gaming setup for under $1,000. Remember, building a budget setup is all about prioritizing what's important to you. Don't be afraid to mix and match components, shop around for the best deals, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Happy gaming!